You won't believe what's inside. Let's find out.
Look, a present. It's red. Red like my bandana. And you guessed the color. Can you shout red?
Red! I wonder what is inside. Let's open it up. Are you ready?
Wow!
It's a blue ball. Milo loves his new toy. Can you say blue?
It's blue!
Neo and Milo found another present under the table. I wonder what's inside. Whoa, look at that huge present. Can you guess what's inside?
Wow!
Neo and Milo love their new teddy.
It is a yellow teddy. Yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow.
Neo and Milo are playing with their new toys. How many toys can you see?
And we have 2 toys.
That's right.
2.
2.
Wait. I think I smell one last thing.
One last toy inside the box? What is it? It's stickers. Oh, wow. Look at all the stickers flying in the air. Can you see red, blue, and yellow? Neo and Milo love putting stickers on their toys. Thanks for playing with us.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Join them on their next adventure. Like and subscribe for more magical fun.